In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access iCloud.com. By the end, you'll be able to open iCloud in any modern web browser, sign in securely, and use your mail, photos, files, and more, without installing anything. First, open your preferred web browser. This can be Chrome, Safari, Edge, or any up-to-date browser you're comfortable with. In the address bar at the top, type iCloud.com and press Enter. Double-check the address to make sure you're on the official site, and look for the secure padlock icon next to the URL. A reliable internet connection will make everything smoother, especially when loading photos and files. Next, sign into your account. On the login page, enter your Apple ID, the same one you use on your Apple devices, followed by your password, and click Sign In. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, you'll be prompted for a 6-digit verification code. This code is sent to a trusted device or phone number linked to your account. Enter the code promptly, as it may expire after a short time. If this is a private computer you use regularly, you can choose to trust the browser so you won't be asked for a code every time. If it's a shared or public device, skip that option and avoid saving your password for security. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the iCloud dashboard. From here, you can open Mail to read and send messages, Photos to view, download or upload pictures, and iCloud Drive to access your files and folders. Notes lets you jot down ideas and sync them across devices, Calendar keeps your events in order, and Contacts stores your address book. Everything runs in the browser, so there's nothing to install. In iCloud Drive, you can drag and drop files to upload, create new folders to stay organized, and use search to find what you need quickly. In Photos, you can switch between albums, download selected images, and manage storage by removing items you no longer need. You can access iCloud.com from almost anywhere: an iPhone or iPad, an Android phone, a Windows PC, or a Mac. On mobile, if the layout feels tight, try rotating your device or using the browser's Request Desktop Site option. When you're done, especially on a shared device, make sure to sign out from the account menu to keep your information secure.